Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Collecting Attorney, back again with another video, and today is day 2 of opening my Jumbo Hobby Box of Topps 2018 Update Series. For those of you who watched yesterday's video, I opened the silver packs, got a couple of nice colored parallels in there, and we pulled one relic yesterday, an All-Star Stitches card of Jesus Aguilar of the Brewers. So we'll open the next 2 packs tonight. See what we get. Hopefully don't get both of the remaining hits. Did pick up most of the major rookies yesterday in the packs that I opened. Got a couple of Otanis, Acuna, Torres. So had some nice cards. Let's see what we get in this one. Okay. Charlie Blackmon. Wade LeBlanc, Shane Green, J. Happ, Brett Phillips, Billy McKinney, rookie card, Yairo Munoz, rookie card, Mike Tauchman, rookie card, Pablo Sandoval, nice Mike Trout, All-Star Game, Brandon Morrow, Mike Foltynewicz, Teoscar Hernandez, Garrett Cooper, rookie card, Brent Suter, Michael Soroka, rookie card, Rhys Hoskins, Home Run Derby, rookie card. It's a nice one. Danny Valencia, Paul Goldschmidt, Gene Segura, Trevor Cahill, Tyson Ross, Mr. 3000, Albert Pujols, Marcell Ozuna, Brian Dozier. All right, we got a gold rookie card of Daniel Gossett. And that one is numbered 1414 of 2018. And we got, let's see, this one is rookies of Miles Mikolas, rookie card. A rainbow foil of PJ Conlon and Corey Oswalt. Storybook Endings, Ted Williams in 1960. And Steven Souza Jr. is the 83. Will Clark of the Giants. Actually, this is, I think, a short print. It looks like the code is 30, and the regular code, if we grab this Brian Dozier card, is 90. So the Will Clark is a short print, which is really nice. I actually pulled a short print in yesterday's opening packs too, so that one is a bonus. They're supposed to be 1 in 9 packs. So let's see if I can get this to zoom or to focus a little bit more. Carson Kelly, Jordan Hicks, rookie debut. That's nice. Joe Jimenez. This is the guy that started my 1987 set collection for autographs from last year. Randall Grichuk, PJ Conlon and Corey Oswalt, Jaime Garcia. Rookie combos of Alex Blandino and Brandon Dixon. Nathan Eovaldi. Juris Familia. Jaime Barria, rookie card. Fernando Romero, rookie card from the Twins. If he's still down in AAA, hopefully get his autograph on Autograph Day next year. Bryce Harper, nice card, All-Star Game. Aaron Judge, All-Star Game. Braxton Lee, rookie card. Jacob Barnes, rookie card. Sal Romano. Mike Fiers. And Carlos Santana. So let me just sort these out so that they're in a neat pile, so it's easier to keep going here. Sorry about this. It just takes a little bit of time to gather everything into neat piles. Move it out the way. All right, pack number 2 for tonight. So another short print was that was unexpected, given that I'd already had my short prints. All right, nice start. Gleyber Torres, rookie card. Alex Colome, JD Martinez, Francisco Liriano, Trevor Bauer, Manny Machado on the Dodgers, Freddie Freeman, Home Run Derby, Eduardo Escobar, Tyler Beatty, rookie card, Miguel Gomez, rookie card, Andrew McCutchen on the Giants. Didn't quite make it over into the Yankees for this update series. Gerson Bautista, rookie card. Jeremy Hellickson. Javier Baez. Junior Guerra. Ronald Guzman, rookie card. Jonathan Scope. Mark Canha. There's another nice Bryce Harper, Home Run Derby. Dylan Cozens, rookie card. Daniel Robertson. Jonathan Lucroy. Pedro Strop. Manea's no-hitter. That was a cool event. Roberto Osuna. Brandon McCarthy. Jack Reinheimer. There's a Game Changers of Sean Manaea. An International Affair. Mexico, Chris Davis for the Oakland A's. I actually really like the International Affair cards. Oh, nice. Wilson Contreras, Game Changers, and this one is numbered 207 of 299. This must be, is it a black parallel? I think this must be a black parallel. Numbered to 299. It's hard to tell really what the difference is. Who knows? But still numbered, very nice. Wilson Contreras. Mookie Betts, Don't Blink. These are really kind of cool too. All right, we got Willy Adames, rookie card. That's nice. Kenley Jansen. Okay, I think we're back to the regular cards now. Jesus Aguilar. Justin Verlander. Brad Ziegler, Adam Engel, Felipe Vasquez, Matt Adams. I will say that there are a lot of sideways cards in update series this year compared to what I've seen in prior years. But let's see, Jismool Valentin and Mitch Walding for the Phillies. Eric Hosmer, that's a cool one. Japan's Finest, Otani and Ichiro. Chris Stratton, rookie card. Nelson Cruz. Max Scherzer. Austin Meadows, rookie. Another Willy Adames, rookie. The future is bright. Braves had just phenomenal talent this year. Albies and Acuna Jr. Aaron Nola. And last but not least, Logan Morrison. So none of the hits revealed tonight, but we got some pretty nice cards, including a couple of rookies, and we got this Wilson Contreras, Game Changers, numbered out of 299. Will Clark short print. Rainbow foil of PJ Conlon and Corey Oswalt. And a gold of Daniel Gossett, rookie card. So pretty nice. Another couple good packs there. Happy with those. Another Torres rookie and a couple of Willy Adames, Otani and Ichiro. So overall, pretty pleased with the packs tonight. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, come back tomorrow for the next one. Thanks, everyone. Good night.